how to find deleted apps on iPhone. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your app store. Here we go. At the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now here you can see this option of purchase. Tap on this option. Now over here you can see different apps that were once in your device and also the apps that are in your device. You can check it out. Now at the top you can see this option of not on this iPhone. Tap on it. Now here you can see the apps that are once in your device but you have uninstalled these apps. You can see that. Now you can tap on this arrow and you can easily install this app again in your device. Like, this is very easy and simple process. In this way you can easily see the deleted apps in your iPhone. I hope now you guys are totally clear about how to find the deleted apps on iPhone. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.